$5,000 to $8,000 credit line, no bank, no hassle. Imagine waking up tomorrow with an $8,000 credit line on your report. And not a single hard inquiry to your name. Sounds impossible? In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how it's done, and why 2024 just changed the credit game forever. You are presented with a credit enhancement opportunity designed to provide up to an $8,000 line of credit without requiring a hard credit inquiry. This program originates from the 2023 Intrigue Jewelers credit model but has undergone substantial 2024 updates, expanding benefits to both existing and new account holders. The initiative functions as a hybrid credit building mechanism, combining installment loan reporting with revolving credit line reporting to strengthen your credit profile strategically. Footnote. This section summarizes the program's origins, 2024 enhancements, and dual credit building structure. Eligibility and compliance checklist. You must meet basic qualification criteria to access this program. If your credit score is under 600, you qualify for an initial $5,000 line of credit. If your credit score is 600 or higher, you qualify for an immediate $8,000 line of credit. You must purchase at least one item from the company's online catalog to activate the account and initiate credit bureau reporting. All identification and address details must be accurate and verifiable. You must consent to providing 3 personal references and authorizing direct payments via a checking account. Footnote. This section lists the key qualification standards and compliance requirements for account activation. Step-by-step activation procedure. Access the application via the authorized link. Provide valid government-issued identification and accurate residential contact information. Submit 3 personal references prepared to confirm your information. Authorize checking account details for payment processing. Select and purchase an item from the online catalog, with price points starting as low as $699. Upon purchase, the account activates, triggering both installment loan and revolving credit reporting cycles. Footnote. This section provides a clear procedural pathway from application to account activation and credit reporting. Credit reporting impact analysis. You benefit from dual reporting mechanisms. The initial purchase is recorded as an installment loan, reporting to the 3 major credit bureaus within 90 days. Additionally, a revolving line of credit with a zero balance reports to Experian within 30 days of activation. The company is in the process of expanding revolving account reporting to Equifax and TransUnion. This dual structure strengthens your credit mix, a key factor in most scoring models, while maintaining a favorable utilization ratio. Footnote. This section explains how both installment and revolving accounts affect credit mix, utilization, and score improvement potential. Strategic usage recommendations. You should use this program not simply for acquiring merchandise but as a deliberate credit optimization tool. Timely repayment of the installment loan and maintenance of a zero balance on the revolving account will maximize score improvement. For individuals with subprime or limited credit histories, the program's ability to add 2 distinct trade lines can accelerate the path to improved creditworthiness and better financing opportunities. Footnote. This section advises on strategic use to maximize credit score benefits and future borrowing potential. Sample Client Disclosure and Acknowledgement Form. Acknowledge that I have reviewed and understood the terms of the Intrigue Jewelers Credit Line Program. I understand that account activation requires a qualifying purchase and that no trade line will be reported without such a purchase. I understand that a credit line of $5,000 or $8,000 will be established based on my credit score. An installment loan will be reported to the 3 major credit bureaus within 90 days of purchase. A revolving line of credit will be reported to Experian within 30 days of purchase, with additional bureau reporting forthcoming. Timely payments are essential to maintaining the benefits of this program and improving my credit profile. Signed, _date_. Footnote. This section provides a model acknowledgement form ensuring the client understands obligations and reporting timelines. You've just learned the exact steps to add a high-limit revolving line in an installment account to your credit: no banks, no denials, and no hard pull. The only question left is, will you let another month go by without doing this?